Hello everyone, today we are connecting a Schneider PLC to WinCC OA using OPC DA, where OPC UA is the modern standard. Many legacy systems still rely on OPC DA for stability. If you are struggling with DCOM setting or broken data link, this is for you. In today's video, I'm going to set up OPC DA servers, configure the WinCC OA driver, and map live take step by step. Let's jump right in. First, I create a small project, link the control expert, one start button, one stop button, then variable 1, variable 2 increase. Okay, that's it. So we start this program connection. This PLC is running. First, we should set up OPC DA software. We use OFS. Okay, test, we are ready. We start. Okay, it's running. Now we start WinCC OA project. We create a new one. We use like a standard. Okay, next. My project. Okay, next we choose run. Okay, we don't need the password. Okay, now it's running. First, we should stop simulator driver menu. Okay, then push here, stop. Yes. So look, here is white. So we add OPC DA client. Here, WinCC OPC DA client. Okay, option we choose NUM1. Okay, look, here is still flash. That's not a complication. First, we start here. We go to System Manager, go to Driver OPC, go to OPC device. In here, we should create, double click. Here we can see all of this one. This driver, OPC DA driver. We choose Schneider OFS. Okay, look here. Is the data point name is Schneider /alt. Okay, yeah, you should understand what's it. Here just the name. We should add this service in the config file. Okay, that's it. So we delete this one. Is old one. Okay. So in here it's not a collection. Okay. Okay. Now we we go to PC, go to C disk, go to this one, WinCC OA project, this folder, go to my project, we choose config, then go to the configure, this one, double click, we use Notepad to open. In here, we should add something, some command. OPC service, we add this one. Copy. Add, save, close. Let me check. Okay. Yeah, in here. Now we close everything. We restart again. Stop. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Look, here's OPC DA client is running. That means it's set up already. Okay, communication. Then go to here, we check. Go to driver OPC. Go to OPC driver. In here, look, state host 1 is connected already. Okay. So we go to parallel, set up new one, is test. New one start. Stop. Variable 1. Variable 2. Okay. We create a new one. Test 1. So here, look, start, stop, variable 1, variable 2. We choose start, right? Insert the configure, verify address, add. Needs address. Address. Add address similar before this one. Okay. We choose start address. In here we choose OPC Client, click Configure. In here, Service, we use the Schneider Out. Group, we choose State. Double click, get item in here. Start. Okay, in here is boolean. Boolean is input output start. Okay. Okay, click here, address activity, apply. Now it's working. Okay. We go to stop. We choose OPC Client, configure. Here, Schneider Out. This is the group. This one, state. You should remember we use a state. Get, ID, stop. Okay, here default, we choose boolean. In here, we choose link out. Okay, that's it. It's working. Variable 1 is similar. OPC Client. Variable 1. Okay. This one 16. Integer 16. With activity here. Okay, it's working. In here, same thing. OPC Client, configure. Okay. Activity, okay. We check the second one. Yeah, it should activity. Yeah, activity. Okay. Now it looks like finish. We can try it, but doesn't work. First, we try. Okay. In here, look, false. We can start the PLC. Look, here PLC is running, but here nothing. That means the setting is not finished. We choose in parallel. We choose linter dead point. In here, we go to OPC group. OPC group in here. Double click here. We choose a state. Before, you remember, I choose a state group. Okay. In here, the activity should be true, but here it's false. So we double click here. We go to activity. Here you should we choose 1, truth. Okay. Then we still do something. We update read required. Here is the 1. 1 is 1 megasecond is too fast. So we choose 1000 is 1 second. Okay. apply. Look, here is apply already. Then we check update rate is 1000. Okay, then we can say activity, make sure okay, it's still is truth. Okay, still truth, apply. Okay, that's it. Then we can try. Still not working, so we should start again. We close, stop. No, here is working. Variable 1, variable 2, yeah, start, stop. Look, we can stop. Here, okay, stop. Look, start, false, stop, we can start again. Look at his reading, variable 1, variable 2. Yeah, look, here is the reading. Okay, that's it. Today I just show you how to set up OPC DA, the WinCC OA. This keyword just here. In here, set up and link the endpoint. In here, OPC group, you should set up. Okay, thank you very much.